Hi all, in this session you will learn first how to put the table to a data. So for that put a cursor to any of the thing, to any of the date, particular or anywhere. Go to format as table and pick any design which you like. So I like this one. Now as you can see the travel I have written here. I want to know that what is the total travel cost. Now this is a small sheet. Suppose here we have more than 100 rows. Then how will you find out exact total travel cost? So one thing is that you can put a filter and you can take out the total travel cost. Second thing is that you can use this advanced formula which I am going to tell you. The formula is equal to, because every formula starts in Excel with is equal to sum ifs bracket start sum range. So our sum range is this one, comma, criteria range, because travel we are going to seek out of this. So select this one, then put a comma. So now what we are seeking? We are seeking travel. So select this and F4 bracket close. You can see the total travel cost. It is showing 1,31,400. And now suppose you want to see the food cost here. So if you will type food here, it will show you food cost. And if you will type clothes here, it will show you the total clothes cost. So I hope you like this formula and you can practice this. And I'm sure you can use this formula in many places during your work. Thank you. Subscribe the channel so that you can get our regular updates.